Where is human in the universe of the God? The human is in the house, house in the street, street in the area, area in the region, region in the territory or state, state in the country, country in the continent, continent on the earth, earth in the solar system in the galaxy called as Milky Way. Distance from the earth to moon 3,84,000 kilometers. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune called as giant planets. Earth to the sun distance is 15 crores 20 lakhs kilometers. The sun also one of the star in our galaxy Milky Way. The sun loses 40 lakhs tons of matter every second. Sun will lose less than 0.1% of its during its life about 1000 crores of years. The sun is in the galactic disk and is situated far away from the center about 30,000 light years. Light speed per second is 3 lakh kilometers. Temperature in the center of the sun 1 crore 50 lakhs degrees centigrade. On the surface of the sun nearly 10,000 degrees centigrade. The sun is center of our solar system and makes up 99.8 of the mass of the entire solar system. The speed of the solar wind amazing about 400 kilometers per second. The sun and its planetary belongs to a planar system made up of a large number of stars in the Milky Way. There are 10,000 crores of stars in our galaxy Milky Way alone. In our Milky Way, sun nearest star is Proxima Centaurea. Sun ray travel time to the earth is 8 minutes 20 seconds, but the sun nearest star Proxima Centaurea rays travel time to the sun is 4.22 light years. Please remember, light speed per second is 3 lakhs kilometers. In the Milky Way galaxy, average distance between star to star is 4 years with light speed. It means per day 2592 crores of kilometers. In our Milky Way galaxy, astronomers identified another 500 solar systems. They are assuming many more solar systems in Milky Way. The disk of the Milky Way is 1,05,700 light years in diameter and about 1000 light years thick. Most of the stars we see are much further away, 10 or hundreds of light years away. The Orion Nebula is a luminous cloud of interstellar gas illuminated by young stars inside it. New stars are being born now in that cloud. This nebula is about 21 light years. Groups of stars called star clusters contain hundreds or even thousands of stars. Some clusters that can be seen in the sky extremely crowded. These are called globular cluster. The globular cluster in the constellation Hercules is made up of more than a million stars crowded together. There are many globular clusters near the constellation Sagittarius, which makes the center of our galaxy. The cloudiness around the stars will disperse completely when the stars are older. When the temperature in the center of these stars reaches 20 crores degrees, when it is no longer possible to obtain more energy from the iron. The star center collapses in on itself and the whole star explodes in one great unimaginable bang. This explosion can produce a glow of more than 10 crore suns. We call such an explosion a supernova. The explosion produces a rapidly expanding nebula. Except hydrogen and helium, all the new elements were launched into space through the explosion of supernovas. There are about 100 chemical elements in nature. On average, a supernova will occur about one every 50 years in a galaxy the size of the Milky Way. Put another way, a star explodes every second or so somewhere in the universe. Our sun takes 22 crores years to complete one orbit around the galaxy. All the stars we can see belong to our galaxy, the Milky Way, which contains 10,000 crores stars. By looking with the naked eye, we can see only the brightest stars up to the 6th magnitude, about 6,000 stars out of 10,000 crores of stars. At a certain point, gravity is so intense that light cannot escape from the star in contraction. This is a black hole. Scientists estimate that there are as many as 10 million to a billion black holes in the Milky Way alone. The Milky Way is part of a cluster of nearly 40 galaxies including Andromeda. Closest galaxy of our Milky Way is Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy. This galaxy is closest one to the center of the Milky Way at 42,000 light years away. There are roughly 10,000 crores stars in Canis Major Galaxy. Assuming in 2018 about 2 lakh crores of galaxies in an observable universe, 9,300 crores light years in diameter. In mathematical form, the diameter of Moon 3,474.2 kilometers, diameter of Earth 12,742 kilometers, Neptune diameter 49,244 kilometers, Uranus diameter 50,724 kilometers, Saturn diameter 1,16,460 kilometers, Jupiter diameter 1,39,820 kilometers, Sun diameter 13,92,700 kilometers, but the Earth is only 12,742 kilometers. Star is 1000 times bigger than the Sun. Diameter of solar system 28,746 crores kilometers. Milky Way diameter 1,05,700 light years. Universe diameter 9,300 crores of light years. If human want to travel the universe from starting to the ending, it will took 9,300 crores light years. Per day, 2,592 crores of kilometers to be travelled. This is the present estimated universe by astronomers. For example, if the universe is the football stadium, in this Earth is a 1 by 1 lakh of the pinpointing area. Now imagine where are you in the universe of the God. Long live humans.